In this video, we're going to set up zip code-based lead routing for Calendly. This is also known as geolocation routing. And how we want this to work is that when a invitee types in their zip code, we want to be able to route them to the Calendly link that is nearest to their location. So to do this, we're going to use a tool called CalendRoute. The link will be in the video description. And I'm going to go ahead and get started by logging in with my Calendly account. Now you can see here that I currently have two Calendly links, one for the Southeast region for my sales team, as well as the Northwest region. And you can see that they're each associated with a zip code. So the Southeastern location has an Atlanta zip code, while the Northwest region has a zip code for Seattle. And you can see that I can add additional routes here by just pasting in the slug of the Calendly link, as well as the corresponding zip code. So how do we use this? Well, there are a couple of options. You can either just copy this embed code on your and put it on your website, or you can just directly send invitees to your unique CalendRoute link. So let's take a look at what that looks like. So I believe this is a California zip code, the placeholder right here. So if I type submit, this should take me to the Seattle location, and it did. So you can see that I was routed to Northwest. So there are a couple of options here. Just like Calendly, you have a public link. You can also use the embed code or the public API to add this to your site. But there's another option where you can integrate this directly into your Calendly routing forms. So real quick, I'm going to click on the embed, and you'll see this unique URL right here, and you'll copy that. And now if I go over to my Calendly routing form, you can see here just two questions, name and then zip code. So if I go over to logic, what I'm going to do here is for my route, I'm going to change this to an external URL and then paste in my unique CalendRoute URL. And very important, you need to make sure that this pass event details checkbox is checked. This allows CalendRoute to access the details of the routing form to grab the zip code. So I'm going to hit save. And very important here, you'll also need to make sure that the short answer question you add uses this exact name format. Okay, so I'm going to type in my name, and then let's do the same thing, 95014. Okay, so we're on our Calendly routing form. We'll click submit. And then you'll see that I was immediately redirected to the correct Calendly scheduling page. So definitely try it out, multiple options for integrating it into your account. If you have any questions or any features you'd like to see, please feel free to add it in the comments. Thanks for watching.